Today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite pieces of camping equipment, the Kermit Chair. I've had my Kermit Chair since 2013, and for over 10 years I've taken it with me on numerous Boy Scout, motorcycle, campouts, and motorcycle rallies, and it is really one of my favorite pieces of kit. As you can see from this video, it's going to take me approximately a minute and a half to put the Kermit Chair together, which isn't too bad. It packs up really nice and it's extremely comfortable. Another thing I like about the Kermit Chair is it's made in the United States by craftsmen in Tennessee using wood, metal, and fabric. It's extremely durable and well put together. The other accessory that I'd recommend is the storm bag. It makes storing it as well as the leg extensions and putting the Kermit Chair away a lot easier, as you'll see later in the video. Although not the lightest option, it packs up small enough that you can carry on the back of the motorcycle, and the added comfort that you get from this chair is well worth the weight and the space. Packing it up is just as easy as putting it together, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you out on the road.